After we get our filled panels down, we're going to go ahead and start measuring our rake. So what we'll do is we're going to find a profile in that shape to measure from. We don't want to measure from the edge. So we'll measure into our 2x2 minus a 1/4 inch from that measurement. And once we get that measurement, write it down. Come back up, measure this one, write it down. We'll continue measuring all the way to the ridge, writing those down in order, so that way we keep our panels in order once we're done cutting and bending them from the eave to the ridge. After we get our measurements for our rake off the roof, we're going to go ahead and find that same profile that we measured from on the roof. And then we'll go ahead, mark that, that'll be our bend line. Then we can bring our 2x2, mark our cut line. Take it to the cutter. Then we'll go ahead and fold up. Then once we get our pile done, it'll all be in order. We'll hand that up to the roof, ready for installation. Bring it up and we can start installing. Go ahead and tack that top one. It stays in place. Then I can just take them off my pile in order. Work my way down. Then we can come back and fasten those panels.